Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, blind spot and cross-path detection, 21-inch aluminum wheels, drowsy driver detection, night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 35,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, remote start system, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJV.com, stock number D6848.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.